Okay. Hey, so I'm Leon here, back with another unwrapping video, and I have my friend here, or my cousin here. His name's It's Huston. Today we went to Target. We got some stuff. So first, we'll be doing this box right here. This Infernape box, and we got a Fusion Strike and a Battle Style, Sword and Shield. I'll do the Fusion Strike. We'll do that first. Pocket knife. Don't make it. Yeah, use those. Okay. Right here. We'll see what we get. Okay. Code card. Okay, nice. Sweet. Okay. Caterpie, Morpeko, Eevee, Shelder, Voltorb, Grappalot, Absol, or Energy, Judge, Excentro, and Trevion. Okay, not a hit, but we gotta get something. There's gotta be something. Okay, there has to be a hit. Please be a hit in here. We did get a good trainer. We did quite a good trainer in there. Now let's do 4 from the back. Oh, we might get a hit. We got a green code card. We can get a hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 from the back. Our energy. Honko, Brushix, Kirby, Metafood, Manifying Mantis, Sparrow, and Cubone, and Mr. Ryan. Galarian and Mr. Ryan. Okay, so that goes with Mr. Mime and Mr. Ryan. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so no hit, but pretty good. Cool. Nice and sweet. Now we're going into this Lucario pack. We have Lucario V-Star, Coin, and this Lucario goes along with this. Lucario V-Star, some energies, and lots of code cards that I will show. Here you go. Oh, it's got a V-Star in here. And here we go. And here we go. Okay, pretty good. All the code cards. Okay, we're on to the last thing. Mine looks good. Okay, this is an Infernape V box. Not bad at all. Got the obviously big Infernape V. Infernape V. Here we go. Wow, that texture.
That's my favorite.
Oh, look at that. And here's Empoleon. Pretty good card. Pretty good. And now we have a Lost Origin, Fusion Strike, another Lost Origin and Astral Radiance. We'll both do 2 here. Okay. We'll save the Astral Radiance for last. Okay. You go first. First up, we have Fusion Strike. Do this. Get a hit in this. Your fingers crossed. I just have pulse on this exact pulse on the floor in my room. Okay, green code card. That's pretty good. You can get hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And energy. Taunter, Sierra, Schoolgirl, Pulse, Marina, Meowth, Maryland, Caterpie, and Gladiator, and Latias. Not bad at all. It goes with it. Latias here, Latias there. Pretty good. Not a lot. You're up. Now we got a Lost Origin. We'll do both the Lost Origins. This is like so hard. We're sorry it's taking a while. We gotta get a hit. We got to. Okay. How are we at? Green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. Okay. We got Gastro. Oh my gosh. No, I get a hit. Fanantia. Oh my gosh. pretty good. Gloom, Poliwag, Oddish, Litwig, Slugma, Makuta. Oh my gosh, I hate you and Zornak. We got such a hit. Pretty good hit there. Let's go. Let's go. Pretty good so far. Oh my gosh. That was only yours. Time to look at mine. Yep. Will we get a hit? Green card. 1, 2, 3. Look what we got. We might get it. We might get a V-Star. We got a chance. Warning. Milano, Pinmax, Sandra, Rhydron, Manaplu, Snower, Rhydron again, Athenium, Snower. Oh my gosh! No way! Did you guys see that? We got a snowboard too with the sand in the back! And then did we just get this? Okay, no way, no way. We got 2 different Rhydrons. Okay. Rhydhorn and Rhydron. That is insane! That's insane. No hit, but that's pretty good. You cannot lie about that. Okay. Okay, and now it's all down to this. Astral Radiance. Here. Do this. Here, let me open it. I can do it. Okay, you good? Got it. Okay, that's the last one. We get a hit. Let's go. Okay.
Yoga P. Green code card.
There we go. There we go. Might get a hit. Magnite, Raltus, Alien Sneasel, Mandshrew, Glaceon.
Oh, yeah.
Oranguvi. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go. We got a hit on the last one. Energy, Drifloon, Dark Patch, that's pretty good, and Porcelain. Okay, that's sweet. That was good. So good right there. Historian Zornak, Orangutan V, Lucario V-Star, and Ferne V. Those are today. This is what we get today. Okay, so thank you for watching. We love you. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching. We'll keep on watching Liam and possibly Hudson's weekly or monthly posts. Peace out.